Welcome to Review Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone reviews. Today, we're diving into the newly launched Poco C61 2025, a budget-friendly device that promises solid performance, a stylish design, and impressive battery life. Let's explore what makes this phone stand out in the entry-level segment. Design and display. The Poco C61 2025 comes with a refreshed design featuring a sleek matte finish and a compact form factor. It sports a 6.71-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display, offering decent brightness and color accuracy for day-to-day tasks. With a water-drop notch and slim bezels, the phone feels modern and comfortable to hold, even for long periods. Performance and software. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with 4GB, 6GB of RAM and 64GB, 128GB internal storage options. It runs on MIUI based on Android 14 Go Edition, optimized for smooth performance on lower hardware. Whether it's light gaming, social media, or multitasking, the Poco C61 handles it efficiently for its price range. Camera capabilities. On the back, the Poco C61 is equipped with a single 8-megapixels AI camera, supported by various software features like HDR and portrait mode. The 5-megapixels front camera is decent for selfies and video calls. While it's not meant for photography enthusiasts, it does the job for casual users who need basic camera functionality. Battery life and connectivity. One of the phone's strong points is its 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts more than a day on moderate use. It supports 10W charging via a USB-C port. Other features include dual SIM support, 4G LTE, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, all of which are welcome additions in this segment. Conclusion. The Poco C61 2025 is a solid entry-level smartphone for users looking for essential features, reliable performance, and long battery life at an affordable price. It's ideal for students, first-time smartphone users, or anyone needing a reliable secondary device. Thanks for watching Review Mobile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones.